Quick research summary. What is SOUNDRAW? An AI music generator that creates 100% copyright-safe, royalty-free beats and background music. Key features: trained exclusively on in-house music, no scraped songs, allows users to blend genres like trap plus lo-fi, customize tracks, energy, length, instrument toggles without a DAW, and download high-quality WAV files or separate stems. Review status: no external independent user reviews were available in our research database, but official testimonials from creators and artists highlight its speed, ease of use for social media, and seamless integration. Want to create 100% copyright-safe music for your YouTube videos in seconds without ever worrying about copyright strikes? Today, we're looking at SOUNDRAW, an AI music generator designed specifically for creators and artists. What makes SOUNDRAW different from other AI tools is its training data. Their AI is trained entirely on music created in-house by their own producers, meaning no scraped songs, no legal gray areas, and complete peace of mind. You can generate unlimited background scores, podcast intros, or rap-ready beats and keep 100% of your royalties for life. Using it is incredibly simple. You can blend completely different genres in a single click, like mixing hip-hop with orchestra or trap with lo-fi to create truly unique, unpredictable tracks. Once the AI generates your beat, you don't need any complex editing software to change it. SOUNDRAW features an easy-to-use built-in mixer. You can toggle individual instruments on or off, tweak the intensity of different sections, and adjust the track's length on the spot. When you're happy with your creation, you can download high-quality WAV files or even download separate stems if you want to mix them further. Now, while we don't have a massive database of independent third-party user reviews to share today, official testimonials from creators highlight just how much time this tool saves. Game developers and video editors mention it dramatically cuts down the time spent sourcing and editing background music, thanks to the quick loop options and customizable durations. Artists also use it to generate quick, studio-ready beats to write and record songs on the fly. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can head over to soundraw.io and start creating for free. Customize your tracks, find your unique sound, and take your video production to the next level. Let me know in the comments what kind of music you're planning to create, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful creator tutorials.